What's up guys, Eric from Beaston, and we finally make it out here to Knowledgefest in Las Vegas. Today is, I believe, day 2. Day 1. Today's actually day 1, Friday, day 1. It was early morning, woke up 4 a.m., took a flight, came here with the team, and yeah, we're very excited to be here. So what is Knowledgefest? Knowledgefest is a convention, a trade show for catered towards 12-volt installers, so 12-volt as in car stereo installers. And so if you ever got any sound system installed in your car, got your radio installed, maybe even a tint job, then you probably know one of those stereo shops that you went to, got some stuff installed in your car. So it's centers in that community and within this 12-volt, so we call it the 12-volt community. It's a 12-volt because the car is run through a 12-volt voltage. And we specialize in 12-volt products such as our plug-and-play Encore Alpha amplifiers. We also have our CarPlay Android Auto retrofit kits, front camera interfaces, and a bunch more other 12-volt related products in addition to our car accessories like our wireless phone charger. Actually, our wireless phone charger is also 12-volt too. So we're here and we are here to sit in on a lot of seminars they provide. They have some training workshops for 12-volt related companies, whether you own your own 12-volt shop or you provide 12-volt products. There's a lot of seminars and workshops for that. And there's also an exhibit hall where companies have the chance to show their products, talk about their products, connect with their dealers and also some customers. We don't have a booth this year. We are looking into getting it in the future. We're not sure yet, but yeah, we're here. Check it out, show you guys what it's about, and provide more awareness of the 12-volt community. So stay tuned. We're going to show you some content throughout the next few days, today and tomorrow. We're flying back tomorrow night, and hopefully you enjoy it. All right, guys, 4 o'clock today, Friday, January 31st, and the exhibit hall is just opening up. We're gonna go around and walk around, but before we do so, let's talk a little bit about Knowledgefest.
So here's some common questions that kind of come up. First one is, who really comes here? Who comes to Knowledgefest?
So mainly in Knowledgefest, it's all the 12-volt installers, it's all these car stereo shops across the country. We also have vendors, manufacturers, and brands that also comes here as well, like JL Audio. We encounter them when we're walking around. I believe Kicker is here. They are sponsoring the event. And some camera companies like Rydeen. There's a distribution company here. And just any car electronics or car stereo related companies that decide to exhibit here. Some of these companies, they would option to just come to Knowledgefest and just not go to the SEMA altogether and just come to Knowledgefest, just because this is where it's a concentrated event that just deals all around the mobile electronics.
Yeah, and with that being said, you said it was close, not a lot of consumers, mainly like vendors and dealers that we deal with. Some of them we haven't met yet. What's something that we would talk to them about here? Is it more networking? Are we trying to sell them something, partnerships? What's kind of like the starting icebreakers with them, if you will?
So for us here, we're here at Knowledgefest. We're here to just put the face to the shops that we work with, and just to be able to mingle around, just talk to them as people, right? Because we're so busy just passing emails to each other, just phone calls, and now we get to actually meet everyone in person and just talk to them and show them even our new product. We brought some brochures over. Take a look. We'll show it to them. We don't have a booth here this year, but you know, something that we could consider in the future.
And then you mentioned already kind of what makes this kind of different than SEMA and like the other places that we go to. What's something that you're looking forward to kind of getting out of this one?
So this one, we want to immerse ourselves, learn a little bit more into the 12-volt industry. It's very diluted, as in there's so many different car industries at SEMA. So there's everything from wheels, tires, all the way to body kits, and these 12-volt electronics is just a really tiny, small portion of the whole entire SEMA. And we just kind of get bombarded with other industries. But over here, we can really focus on just the 12-volt car electronics and accessories. So that's what we're here for.
Sick.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, there's beer and networking, so that's a plus. So yeah, I guess we could head right in and get to it.
Let's do it. What's up, guys? Eric from B-Sonic and also Eric from B-Sonic.
Hello.
And we're here. The exhibit hall is just opening. We're gonna walk in and check out what they have. All right, here it is. Here's the exhibit hall. It's my second time in the Vegas, just walking the show. It's not as big as SEMA because they only utilize one of the larger halls, exhibit halls over here at Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. But it's a good intimate size, and you don't have to walk over each other like SEMA. There's not so many people, so it makes it, you could really spend time on every single booth. So let's go start from that corner and just walk every single aisle. Hey, isn't this a Senna? Hey, McLaren Senna, dude.
That's sick.
Wow, damn.
Eric's, what car is this?
It's a Lucid. Yeah, got a Lucid over here, custom sound system. It looks really cool how they stacked up all the amps like that. One with a very futuristic theme. Very clean. That's nice.
So like a 4-tier amplifier?
It is. Yeah, it is a 4-tier. Oh, wow. That.
Oh wow.
That is cool.
There's a gentleman here that built a few of these cars.
So you guys are the factory for the speakers?
Factory for these speakers, yeah. So it's a
Okay.
new thin driver technology using neodymium for the motors. So it gives it a little bit more motor force. The way the motor's designed, it's also a lightweight woofer.
I see.
So it doesn't, you're not adding a bunch of weight to your
Is it thinner too than normal?
Yeah,
Like
so this
usual?
so what you see here, there's 4
How you doing?
Oh wow, yeah.
Oh wow.
compared to a normal woofer.
Do you sell like a whole enclosure for like under the seat power sub with
So-
the amplifier built in?
It hasn't been released yet.
Yeah.
But there is an enclosure that will be self-powered,
Okay.
self-amplified.
Yes.
It'll all work through wireless technology. Basically, you just charge it, and you can throw it in the trunk of your vehicle.
You guys want to go check it out?
Yeah.
How you guys
Yeah.
doing?
Good.
Good,
Hi.
how you doing?
How you doing, Eric? Nice to meet you.
Eric.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Hi, my name's Eric.
Eric as well. That
Yeah.
makes it super
Oh,
easy.
One of the
Ben,
brains.
nice to meet you.
All short names.
Oh.
They had questions about how you connect it to the car, if the car has a factory radio or Bluetooth.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Stuff.
We started with just reinventing the subwoofer itself.
Yes.
Right? So that's what's in the middle.
Mhm.
The enclosure is 0.3 cubic feet. Battery chamber is here. And then you have your amplifier, your power management, your DSP, and then there's 3 wireless protocols. And so this is how we allow ourselves to work with cars and overcome the challenges of original equipment
Yes.
from the manufacturer. Today, when you get into your car, you may have one of the following. You could have an old vehicle where there's just an aux input, no Bluetooth at all. Then you have aux plus Bluetooth. Then they started getting into USB media, and then came along CarPlay and Android Auto. Then wireless CarPlay and
Yeah.
Android Auto. And now there's standalone systems like Tesla, Rivian, Sync 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, cool. So how do we play nicely with that enormous ecosystem of many, many different cars? First things first, we don't want to have to plug into the car, period. We're running a 600 watt amplifier. It peaks around 1,050 watts. So this battery in here is not lithium, it's LiFePO, L-I-F-P-O.
Okay.
And it could actually take 60 amp bursts,
Okay.
right? So it's a really powerful battery. So this clear unit helps you understand what's inside.
Yeah.
The more standard units, this will be a special edition. We'll be selling 24 of them a year, and they'll be numbered.
Oh.
But they'll be offered in 2 versions, this standard carpet or like a rugged outdoor material. So on this side, you have your power input. And so it takes AC or DC, both are included in the box. Then you have USB input, USB output, and then you have aux in, aux out. So if you just want to daisy chain systems or connect to an analog, you can. And then on this side, for multiple unit connection, we have the ability to transmit or receive or pass through. So using our application, we'll perform a time synchronization with the vehicle's speakers. We're going to plug a dongle into the head unit of the car, and that's going to act as a receiver. Your phone is going to connect with our subwoofer first, then the subwoofer is going to transmit to that receiver. And then that receiver is going to pass that data into either the auxiliary input of the car, the USB media port, or CarPlay, Android Auto through USB. So we sell different vehicle kits, but it will be coming later, hopefully shipping in the next couple of months.
That's actually
What brings you all to the show?
Just check it out. Maybe have a booth next year. We deal with not the sound system part, but more like car electronics and like a lot of plug and play, like harnesses and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's cool.
If you have a
Sounds
minute,
good.
I'd be happy to show you the actual like breakdown
Yeah, thank
of
you so
products.
much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm Jeff, by the way.
Yes.
Yep.
Eric.
Eric, nice to meet you.
Eric as well.
Yeah.
Eric to Eric. Eric? No, man.
We call him Eric though.
Very nice pleasure to meet you. Thank you.
Eric.
We call him Eric.
Yeah. See you soon. Thank you.
What is this? Oh, hell yeah. I love free convention stuff. You're gonna, maybe Elsie's like bath toys.
Yeah, we have one already.
Oh, yeah. Hey, that JBL is what they're, we work with that one. Hey. Is that a Chevy Volt?
Yeah.
That Volt. It's pretty cool.
Chevy Volt.
Yeah. Let's see what's done to this car.
Yeah, it's stock.
Okay, new aftermarket radio, the larger screen,
All right.
and it's very clean. Whoever detailed this car did an amazing job. Look, there's no speck of dust inside. Look how clean it is. It's like a brand new car.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Good
job.
Whoever detailed this car did an amazing job. Whoever did Thin Pro's Tacoma,
Yeah.
hit us up.
Kyung used to have these.
Oh, these?
These are the solo barracks. It's like hits hard. They're like the first, like the pioneer for the square woofers. I remember when they first came out. These are early 2000 or late 90s.
Shook the whole seat, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah. All right, guys. Well, it's the end of day 2, and we're about to head out from this event. And it's actually a 3-day event. It goes until tomorrow, but we're only going to be here for 2 days. The event was really, really cool. We learned a lot from it. Some of the stuff that I learned here personally is how complex the factory audio systems has become compared to way before. Everything's integrated. You cannot just remove speakers and expect it to work normally. It's like you have to know how the whole communication system works in the car now. There's a lot of data-driven components in the car. It's not just normal audio signals anymore. And on top of that, we also learn about new technologies of the sound system and speakers that is up and coming, which is really, really cool to see all of that in action. Also, after walking the show, just checking everything out, highly consider having a booth this next year because this event is specialized in the 12-volt industry and we want to expand our business on the dealer side of things, our wholesale side. So it'll be a good chance for us to mingle and introduce our product to a lot of the new stereo shops across the US. All right, guys, well, thank you very much for watching our video today. If you have any relation with Knowledgefest, if you attended this show or attended previous shows, please comment below, let us know what you think about it, how you enjoyed the show, and if, in your opinion, if we should exhibit here and have a booth next year or not. We'd like to hear the reason why. Okay, you cut that in. A lot of cuts. All right.